Tea Tuesday again.
Hi. We are back. Yay. So today we have daily support. It's turmeric, echinacea, and ginger. Herbal supplement with green tea. And that's from Lipton.
And it's a pretty good tea.
So that's what we're drinking today. It's a little warm, so I'm a little red.
And here, Mom's wearing a sweater.
She's wearing a sweater, and I'm like, ah.
Well, it's because I'm a lot older and you're a lot younger.
Okay.
Hey, when I was going through the change, I was hot all the time.
We're not talking about that. We're talking about Tea Tuesday. Jeez, tell all my secrets. All right, so let's try this tea.
Pretty tasty.
It's pretty good. So, today we are going to be talking about some crafts that I have done for my upcoming, well, by the time you see this, I will have already posted it on the new channel, Blossom Your Creativity. And I just wanted to share some of the DIYs that I made. And in hopes that you go over and check out the full video to see all of the DIYs, because there's multiple. So the first one.
Would you like to tell them the date it's going up for that I can know where to go look for it?
It is going up the 6th, June 6th, June 5th. Oh my gosh, I don't even know the date. But the title is 5 Under 5. So this is a new challenge that I'm participating, and the whole idea is to create DIYs, and each of them you can only spend less, it's got to be less than $5. So that was a challenge, trying to do a DIY for under $5 and make it still look good, not cheap. I mean, there might be one that I'm not too happy about, but you know, I did the best I could. And as I kept doing them, I was like, okay, I could do this. So anyways, I will show you a couple of them that I did. So this first one, let me put this tea down. And I have it here on my Mackenzie Child's plate, just to elevate it. And so, you know, I like to do faux cooking, faux foods. And so I made this little sandwich cookie. Take it in close. And this is made out of Model Magic and then some patriotic sprinkles. Isn't that cute? And the cookie itself is made from a mold. And the mold, it had a design on it, and I should have brought it, but it had a design on it, and I didn't like that. So what I did was I just put a piece of parchment paper down inside of the mold to cover up the design, and then I put the Model Magic over it. So that way it would not imprint the design itself. And it worked out.
Now the little holes that are put in there, did you put those holes in?
I did. I just took a skewer and I just put the holes in it. Now I thought I was doing a graham cracker design, but then I noticed that the graham cracker don't look like this. That looks like a saltine cracker, if you have noticed what it looks like. So anyways, I found out that it was not a graham cracker. So I thought, okay, let's go to the drawing board. This looks more like a sandwich cookie design.
Well, I thought it was like an ice cream sandwich.
Well, that's what it is, but I was originally going for a graham cracker so I could make a s'more.
Oh,
But
okay.
when I noticed that I lined up my holes wrong, I had to rethink. So, but I really liked how it all turned out with the patriotic sprinkles.
Oh, I thought it turned out super cute.
Now I want you to know that this was not my first idea. My first idea was an epic fail. Because if you know, like the Neapolitan, how it has the 3 different colors, I tried to do that with this. It didn't work. So I had to repaint everything. That's why my DIYs take me forever, because I try different ways and it doesn't work out. But the good thing is, I'll know next time, don't do that. So this is one of the...
But I think this turned out great, the way the colors are.
Yeah.
And for this theme that you're going for.
Right, yeah, I love it. And then, so there's 3 total food items that I made. So you'll have to go and see the video so you could see the other two that I made. I just wanted to
Sure, one.
give you a little glimpse of what I did.
Sneak peeks.
Yes, a sneak peek. So that's one of them. And then the other one I made was this wreath. And considering you've got to stay under $5, this one was the most expensive. Doesn't even look like the best one, I think. I don't think this is the best looking one. But it cost me more. So I started with this one first. And then that's when I decided I've got to come up with a better plan. So anyways, this one started with just this green wreath. And I got this at the 99-cent store. And it was $2.99. So I was like, how can I elevate it? And I really like the napkin. So if you can see. But how do I attach the napkin? Well, so I came up with the idea of using a paper plate. And you can see right here, there's like a doily, because I had to have the doily as a backdrop, and then I attached the napkin to that. And then I made little holes in the paper plate so that I can attach my ribbon to the wreath itself. And so that's how I got it to stay. And
Now
then,
on your video, is it going to show how you put that together? Or
yeah,
not?
but it's like really quick, because I
Okay.
had 5 DIY, so you know that video is very long. So I had to cut out a lot of explanation, unfortunately, to keep within the time parameters. So I don't know how these ladies do it, because they're doing lots of videos and they rush through it. I had a hard time trying to explain the best I could without, having a lot of cutting out the video. And then I came to the front and I said, I need to embellish a little bit more. So then I got these little picks at the Dollar Tree, and this is $1.25. So this is already $2.99 and $1.25. So I'm already creeping up to the $5. And then I had these scatters, which that helped because there's quite a few in a package.
Oh, okay.
And I didn't use them all. So I was able to
cut down
on that price. So that's what I ended up with. And then I had this little bow from something else, and I just took it. I repurposed it. So I'm not charging for that.
So you are allowed to repurpose something from some other project?
I don't know. This is the first time I've done it.
Oh,
so
okay.
I don't know. We'll see what they say, but
Because June, and one of my friends gives me things sometimes, and I wouldn't have bought it. I would have been someone just gives me something.
right. I don't know that you can do that. I guess because they want it to be where somebody else could go and recreate it. So
Okay.
So I guess that's probably not the best idea, because then people buy stuff from the Goodwill all the time and repurpose it, so I don't know why it would be any different, but I guess they actually paid for it. I don't know. We'll see. This is my first time, but so anyways, that's my little wreath, and it's perfect size for my little
Display.
my little alcove thing here,
Yeah.
because the one I got from Annalie, it's way too big. It's more for a door, because I put it on there and I was like, oh no, that's not gonna work. So that's what made me decide I need to make a wreath. And if you remember, I've already had this,
Yeah.
and I use it for different things. And I put a teapot on top of it one time, so it's just, so I'm just going to repurpose it, because this stuff is not really, it's glued. It has one little dot of glue, so I'm just going to rip it off after I'm done with 4th of July. So, what do you think?
I personally think it's super cute. I really liked it.
Well,
And
I'm
I
glad you
thought,
like it.
and I thought the napkin looked great in there.
Yeah, I love this napkin. I have 2 different styles, and somehow I didn't use both styles. Well, you'll have to go over and see what I'm talking about. That's like a hint.
Yep. If you really want to know what she's talking about, you better get over there.
Yes, and there's the people that I'm participating in with are really good. So I'm hoping that I'm
Get
up
invited
to
back.
their level. Yeah.
Well,
I'm trying. That's the whole point of that new channel is, it's called Blossom Your Creativity. So, you're learning. I'm learning. I'm participating. So I'm blossoming into, something. And it's really our channel together. And that was the reason for the name is Blossom, because she loves to do gardening and flowers. And I feel like I'm got that creative bug. I just got to hone in on it. And so that was the whole point of the name.
and we're going to eventually move all the home decor into the new channel. And because my channel has so much content, I'm constantly people tell me, you have too much stuff on your channel. You need to break it down. So we're breaking it down. And so it's one reason. Only what we're going to have on the new channel eventually. It's not going there yet because the numbers still aren't high enough. But because I've been working on my channel, it will be 8 years this summer. Next month's my anniversary. And so that's why my channel has over 3,000 followers, because it's been 8 years. But the new channel's doing pretty good. You got
it's almost to 275, I think. So
I had 250 after 5 years. The first channel. It took me 5 years, and all the growth on my channel has been in the last 2.5, 3 years.
So I mean, it's progressing. I'd like it to go a little bit faster, but I know I have to be patient. But all of the DIYs and the tablescapes and home decor will be over there eventually. But we still want to do our Tea Tuesdays here, our shopping hauls here, and then we'll just tell you, hey, pop on over to the other channel and take a look at what we put together. So
and we still may do join in challenges on both channels, and so we may have, because we've already done that already. We've had home decor project. She's done one, I've done one, and it's for a challenge that someone else is doing, or we're doing something together.
Yeah, so I can show my creativity, she could show hers, and we'll do it that way. So if you're not already following over at Blossom Your Creativity, get on over there and sign up. What are you waiting for?
Get over there and check it.
Great content.
And I don't do DIY, so if you really want to see them, you need to go and see the new channel. Because that's what she loves to do, and I like to do gardening, and all the gardening will be on the original channel. And I don't know if you've noticed, I'm getting 2 gardening posts a week up now.
I don't know how you do it, Mom. And you're working 6 days a week. I don't know. Crazy.
That was really funny. That's another story. We've already went 12 minutes.
Oh, yeah. So we're going to have to table this conversation for another Tea Tuesday. So.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.